What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Look, I promise you, by the time you finish watching this video, your mind is going to be absolutely blown. Do me a favor. Take a good, hard look at your current smartphone. Got it? Cool. Now forget it even exists for the next few minutes. Because what you're about to see today is going to make your current daily driver look like a literal Happy Meal toy. Today, we are talking about the absolute monster that has been giving Silicon Valley tech CEOs sleepless nights, and it hasn't even launched yet. If you are a tech nerd who craves tomorrow's tech today, buckle up and glue your eyes to the screen. We are diving deep into the Sony Xperia Pro 2. This isn't just a smartphone, guys, this is a gadget straight out of the year 2030 that time traveled its way into our reality. Let's get right into it. The design. First things first, the look and design. At first glance, this doesn't even look like a phone, it feels like a futuristic sci-fi prop. Look at the front. Boom. An edge-to-edge, bezel-less glass and metal masterpiece. It is so insanely immersive that when you watch a movie, the screen just feels infinite. But the real party, the absolute flex, is on the back. Sony basically split the back panel into two different dimensions. It looks like a flagship smartphone and a high-end DSLR had a shotgun wedding. On one side, you have your classic sleek phone, on the other, a massive 1-inch, 500-megapixel DSLR-grade camera module. Yes, you heard me right, 500 megapixels. And yeah, the camera bumps out quite a bit, just like a real DSLR lens. But here is the kicker, you can actually rotate the lens barrel manually with your hand to pull focus. Talk about that authentic photography feel. Just picture this, you walk into a party, and people are asking, "Bro, is that a camera or a phone?" And you just smile and say, "Both, man." And then some. The guy standing next to you with the latest iPhone is going to experience instant existential dread. Now, it's going to be a bit hefty. But that weight is a guarantee of pure quality. Forget plastic or cheap aluminum, this beast is forged from magnesium alloy, the exact same metal used in high-end cinema cameras. It's ultra rugged yet lightweight. Drop this on the ground, and you'll probably crack the pavement before you scratch the phone. And IP68 water resistance. That's old news. This features IP69K, meaning it can withstand high pressure, high temperature hot water jets and heavy dust. You could literally take this into a steaming hot shower with you. Sony also threw on an elite anti-reflective coating, meaning even under direct, blinding sunlight, you get zero glare. It's the little details that matter. The DSLR killer camera. Let's talk about the soul of this machine, that 500 megapixel, 1-inch sensor. Let's get a little techie for a second, but I'll keep it simple. Standard phones boast 200 megapixel nowadays, but their sensors are tiny. This sensor is 10 times larger than your average smartphone sensor. What does that mean? It means pitch black night photography will look like it was shot at 12 p.m. on a sunny day. Zero noise, zero grain. Just pure, crisp, professional shots. Plus, Sony's color science is pure wizardry, reds look red, greens look green. No fake, oversaturated AI garbage here. In the zoom, Sony just broke every record in the book. 100x zoom is ancient history. We are talking 150x hybrid optical digital zoom. Imagine pointing this at a mountain peak miles away, zoom in, and you'll see the iris of a bird perched on a branch, and you'll literally be able to tell if it's winking at you. This isn't just a blurry digital crop, it captures real, raw detail. For my video creators out there, let me sum it up in one phrase, 8K is dead. This phone shoots 12K video. Yeah, 12K. The resolution is so insane that you can pause the video and extract a pristine 25 megapixel still photo from it. You essentially have a Hollywood studio in your pocket. Combined with the Photography Pro 2.0 app, every single pixel belongs to you in raw format. This phone will literally teach you how to be a pro cinematographer. The display. If you're capturing masterpiece photos, you need a royal screen to look at them. Enter the 6.9-inch 4K HDR OLED display with 1 billion colors. But wait, it actually features 12-bit color depth, unlocking over 68 billion colors. A chameleon hasn't seen this many colors in its entire lifetime. With a 144 Hz refresh rate, the UI glides like butter on a hot skillet. Whether you are gaming or scrolling, it's ridiculously smooth. It tops out at a mind-boggling 4500 nits peak brightness. Forget struggling to read your texts outside, You could be sitting in the middle of the Mojave Desert in the dead of summer, and you'll be streaming Netflix perfectly. For protection, Corning Gorilla Glass Armor. If you drop this phone, the ground should be scared, not you. Performance. What powers a phone that handles 12K video and massive image files? Not a standard chip, you need a rocket engine. Sony is rumored to pack the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6, built on a cutting-edge 2nm process. Add 24GB of LPDDR6 RAM to the mix, yes, 24 gigs. Your current laptop is shaking in its boots right now. It features UFS 5.0 storage firing at a blistering 5GB per second, letting you edit 12K video seamlessly. But the real MVP is the thermal management. Sony is introducing a super phase change vapor chamber, a liquid cooling system that transitions between melting and freezing states. You can play Genshin Impact or PUBG at maxed out graphics for hours, and the phone won't burn your hand, drop frames, or stutter. Battery life. For the battery, Sony basically slapped a dinosaur heart inside this thing, a massive 9500 mAh battery. Charge it once, and you are easily cruising through 2 days of heavy use. Even under absolute torture, it will last a full day. Emergency situation. The ultra power saving mode gives you 2 hours of standby on just 5% battery. When it's time to juice up, the 120-watt hypercharge takes you from 0 to 100% in just 18 minutes. Wake up, dead battery, jump in the shower, and by the time you're dressed, you're at 100%. It also features 50-watt wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, so if your friend's phone dies, just flip your Xperia over, slide their phone on top, and give them a lifeline. Software-wise, you get a beautiful, bloatware-free, completely clean stock Android 17 experience. No junk apps, no lag. But for the pros, Sony's exclusive ecosystem apps, Photography Pro, Cinema Pro, and Music Pro, come pre-installed. Sony promises 4 years of major OS updates and 5 years of security patches. Price and launch date. Now for the million-dollar question. This all sounds epic, but when can I get it, and how many kidneys do I need to sell to afford it? Let's hit the brakes for a second. As of right now, this is an ultra-futuristic concept. Sony hasn't pushed this into mass commercial production just yet, but if and when this hits the market, expect a premium price tag ranging anywhere from $1,800 to $2,200. Now, some of you might scream, that's insanely expensive. But think about what you are actually getting. You are buying a flagship smartphone, a mirrorless DSLR, and a professional cinema rig all wrapped into one device. A standalone Sony Alpha camera body alone easily clears $2,500, plus you'd still need a flagship phone. Here, you get both in your pocket. It's an insane value proposition, but definitely not for casual users. This is built strictly for creators, filmmakers, and hardcore tech enthusiasts. As for the launch, according to insider leaks and industry rumors, Sony might showcase this as a limited edition release around December 2026 or early 2027. So, guys, now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment down below. Do you think a phone like this should actually become a reality? Would you drop $2,000 on a smartphone that completely obliterates traditional DSLR cameras? And the most fun question, if this phone magically appeared on your desk tomorrow morning, what is the very first thing you are going to take a picture of?